Kakaano eh.
So the colors is only 7, but if you complete that, we will make it $200. Alright, $200 is 10,000 pesos in the Philippines. Alright. I don't know if I have all of them, but I think I have at least one. At least one? So I make it 5, so okay. We will win a lot of money. And what's your name? Jaden. Okay, so we have Becca and Jaden. Becca, ready? Timer starts. Let's go! Alright, so what is that? What's that? This is a pencil case. Pencil case, okay. What's the color?
Marvin Pogi joins the game.
This one's green. Okay, let me. So blue, $20. Okay.
General CCG joins the game.
This counts orange. Orange, alright. So 2. You have 38 seconds. Green. Green, okay. I've got another green thing now. So this is green. Okay, so she has $60. Alright. So I'm gonna run away with this. Alright, so you have 20 seconds.
Tignan mo dito.
Yeah.
Tignan dito. Bate, ba't ako?
Dahil sa add-on yan. Tignan mo.
Ay, balik po ako sa skin ko. Gusto ko sa skin ko.
O, tignan mo. Baril o.
This is a practice. So I'm gonna do this sleeping on the streets. Report now. Alright, so here's your 20, 40.
Give me my skin back. Bro, give me my skin. Subway. Oh!
O, ito na. Para kang tanga eh.
Ko.
Arte mo, buisit.
Marvin Pogi left the game.
It's simple, super simple. It lasts only a minute, but you need a partner. Okay. Okay, no problem. We're Filipinos. Okay. Intro first. Alright, okay. And what's the time on the Can I do that?
Set the time to 25,000.
There's also like this guy.
Teleported Marvin Pogi to General CCG.
You have been teleported to General
Ay! Wait lang! Wait lang, may picture. Ano mo may baril tayo dito oh.
Take your time. Don't rush it. We have 45 seconds. Don't rush it. Please make one.
Oh, di cellphone daw.
Hindi. Try ko nga mag-survival. Testing natin to. Ingay mo.
Ang pangit ng bunganga mo.
Pangit ka rin. Kahit na pangit yan. Pangit ka. Try mag-survival dito. Wait lang, testing tayo ah. Wait lang, mag-keep inventory tayo.
I'm so bad in it. So,
Oh, diba? Ganda.
I thought you're going to make me broke. Yeah. But you only got one. I tried. It's so difficult. So here's your $20.
Thank you so much. Nice to meet you.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Tara, survive tayo. Survival tayo.
Yung mga Brazilians.
Gusto ko mag-swimming. Pero hindi ko
Sa Pilipinas.
Ay! Andito tuloy ako.
6,000.
Ang sarap.
Oh, diba guys? Sa Pilipinas, 6.
Hey, sabi niya.
Dito, isa lang. Diba,
Kadiri.
Hello, Mingming. Hello, Din.
have been teleported to Marvin Pogi. Teleported General CCG to Marvin Pogi. You have been teleported to Marvin Pogi. Teleported General
one hit pala yung
CCG to Marvin
laser.
Pogi. Marvin Pogi fell from a high place.
Pampit, one hit. One hit yung ano, baril. Ito yung lumang mansion dito. Oh. May secret base dito. Yeah. Naalala mo to?
Okay, each time you win, you give get your $20. Alright, so you
One hit the players pag tumama.
just a reminder, that's 10 guys. So if you beat them all, that's $200.
Scissors? If I win, I get $20. But if you win, you get $20. It's free money. Yeah, what? Yeah. Do you want to play rock, paper, scissors? No. Really? What the heck? Does anyone want to play rock, paper, scissors with me? Please? I'll play. I have to play with the guy, though, unfortunately. Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yes! I win!
You won. Okay, so you get $20. Wait, let me take that.
Do one of you guys want to play rock, paper, scissors with me? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Okay, so you got
I have $40.
$40.
Pilipinas!
Does someone want to play rock, paper, scissors with me? Can someone play rock, paper, scissors? Let's go.
Oh,
Rock,
Japan!
paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh! You won $20.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh my gosh. Can one of you guys play rock, paper, scissors? Awesome. Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Chicken. Sabay may manok. Chicken. Chicken.
Future. May gusto ko sabihin sa inyo. Gusto niyo bang maglaro? Mag-i-interview natin? Pwede yan. Sa
Oy, Mingmeng, yung iklog ko!
Because I have a challenge. And any of you can join. My challenge is, what's your name?
Go, gumagano mo.
Kochen.
What this stairs is famous for? You need to
Next question.
Rocky. You?
Malungkot na ako. Bye, guys.